Welcome to the 21 Days of AI Basics video series. Over the next 3 weeks, we'll dive into the world of artificial intelligence. The program is structured over 21 days or 3 weeks. Week 1 focuses on foundations and large language models. Week 2 covers application and workflow automation. Finally, Week 3 addresses scaling, evaluation, and advanced tools. Each video will be brief, between 3 to 5 minutes, highlighting key elements. For more details, please check the Notion file linked in the video description. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions you may have. Week 1's goal is to understand the basics of large language models and how to use them safely. Topics include AI ethics, GPT, LLM mechanics, prompt engineering, RAG, and fine-tuning basics, ending with a mini project. Week 2 focuses on building useful pipelines, multi-step workflows, and auto agents. We'll explore LangChain, chains and tools, memory and context, LangGraph basics, and multi-step agents, along with safety and moderation. In Week 3, the goal is to make your AI integration production ready, ethical, and measurable. Key topics include testing and evaluation, user experience, metrics and feedback loops, API integration, vector databases, and deployment prep.